you gonna release all the videos at one time? Or
no, milking them. Release them slow.
Yeah.
None of this Netflix business. Alright, that one done.